Hey guys, today let's take an in-depth look at this 2007 Subaru Impreza saloon. Just go full in-depth tour of the Impreza, start it up, show you it's already running, sorry. I'll show you the engine and give you an in-depth tour of the vehicle and go a little bit of performance data. I'm at AWB Motors in Duckingfield, East Manchester. Right, so exterior colour is silver. It's got grey and black cloth interior. Just see back a little bit. Right. Let's jump in. Sorry about the weather, guys, it's raining. So you got 41,000 original miles on it. It's very low, you do 12,000 miles a year. Right, so you've got your mirror switches here with your left and right rocker cover. You've got 4 electric windows here, lock and unlock, and window lock. As you can see there, they're all working. Right, so you've got your windscreen wipers, which are absolutely knackered. Oh, it's this one, isn't it? Right, got very smooth power steering. Get your indicators, and it's a 5-speed manual. Your e-brake is down there. Not sure what them 2 switches are. Right, so you've got your climate control right here, and you've got all your different zones there, including rear demist. Right, you got air conditioning there, different temperature, and you've got your recirculation right there. Right, and you've got parking lights here. Right, and your tilt steering wheel is there. It's tilt and telescopic, I think, but yeah. Okay, so you got a Subaru CD radio here. BBC Radio 4, as you can see there. BBC Radio 1.
Nikki and Barry Coleman. Is that really totally reference?
Radio 1, nothing on the radio.
And I am going to be going with him. People keep asking.
Right, you got your CD player right there. Right, let's just turn on the headlights and the fog lights and the hazards. So the windscreen wipers intermittent because it says it's raining. Weight release is down there. Right, I think it's 15-inch alloys, Michelin tyres. I can't tell. No, they're 16-inch alloys. Right, engine is a 2-litre inline 4. It produces about 135 brake horsepower. I'm not sure exactly about the torques or not 60, but I will look that up for you guys if you like me to. It's a really nice engine, this. Very clean. Very clean car indeed. Just shut. You got headlight washers down there with your front fog lights. Subaru badges there. It's a very clean all-round car, to be honest. It's very clean indeed. Alright. Yeah, I mean, it's a very nice little car. I'm not a big fan of Subarus, but I think this one's alright. Single exhaust tip is down there. There's a bit of a growl to it, which ain't too bad. It's got a rear spoiler on it. Yeah, it's a very good all-round car. It's very clean indeed. It's got very low miles though. As you can see, right. turn everything up. Right. Right. As you can see there, that's low, and then that's high. Right. So you have a little storage area here, as you can see there, quite good and deep. Okay, let's just turn this off. Oh, fuel filler release and boot release. Jump into the back. Legroom is pretty decent, to be honest. Yeah, it's a pretty decent car in here, to be honest. I don't think the seat's right back though, otherwise it's really small. Yeah, so like they go in and out when you unlock and lock the car. You get your rear electric window there. Sorry, it's like an old man daughter. Here's your fuel filler cap. Unleaded petrol, it's an unleaded this one. Boot, quite a big susmat boot space. Your spare staver is down there. Here you've got your passenger side. Glove boxes there with all your owner's manual and everything. Passenger electric window. Frameless windows as well. Right guys, hope you enjoyed my full in-depth tour. 2007 Subaru Impreza.